Hey, Jasmine. What you doing? Are you doing okay? Look, we put on your TV over there. You wanna go see your TV? Jasmine? I think you'd like to go see your TV. I'm not gonna go bring it over to you. You need to actually walk over there and go get it. Yes. Jasmine, come on. You need to go over there. 'Cause I said so. Yes. Okay, fine. I'll get it to you. It looks like you actually walked over here. And you know, because a lot of people want to see it, the feet. It's the beans. The toe beans. Do you like your TV, Jasmine? Do you like it? Yeah, you like your TV. You just see your... Oh, it's Blue Jays. Yeah, you get them birds. You go get them birds, Jasmine. You're spoiled. Yes, you are.